Any cursed energy? He's like Maki, fully realized. Focus. Thanks to Inumaki, all the normal people and transfigured humans are out of the way. Visualize it. Visualize how to beat this guy. Visualize. Winning. Rapid escape. I just felt Suka's presence. What the hell is happening in Shibuya? It shows through on pure instinct. I don't have enough cursed energy to use domain expansion.
Kusakabe, aren't we done with this area yet? They might still be in the veil. But thanks to Toge, everyone's been evacuated. So let's head to Satoru. How do we get to floor B5 from here? Toge said the news about it being sealed is real, so let's hurry up.
Gojo this and Gojo that. Satoru Gojo isn't the only person in the world, you know. There's lots of hidden nooks in Shibuya. What if there's still people hiding in one of these buildings? Just imagine a bunch of terrified schoolgirls trembling in fear. How would you feel if we didn't find them? It wouldn't be an exaggeration to say we personally snuffed out somebody's bright future.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
If you understand, then get to scouring every building, every floor, and behind every toilet, dumbass. This is bad. I'm gonna run out of excuses soon. But I definitely don't want to go near floor B5. Much rather wander around like this and waste time. Because the truth is, I don't want to die. If Panda knew how to get there, he'd run off to floor B5 on his own. I want to avoid that too. Because I don't want to be left alone here either. He might be a panda. He has more of a human heart than I do. Yet because he's a panda, he has no sense of direction here in Shibuya. He doesn't even realize how close we already are to floor B5.
I'll go look over there.
Yeah, be thorough about it, would you? Maybe I'll pretend to be lost next. Huge amounts of cursed energy keep appearing and disappearing. It's gotta be the group who sealed Gojo. I'm not stupid enough to touch that.
You must be the sorcerers from Jujutsu High. Surrender to me. Don't want to kill you if I don't have to.
Panda.
I count 3 more behind him. There are probably more in hiding.
I don't want to get killed either. But I can't just roll over and say yes, you know. So why don't we have a chat? Yeah, a nice long chat.
Goes on, the worse off I am. I have to risk a short, decisive battle, but I still have one advantage.
Principal, I have your cursed corpses with me, so I'll be fine on my own.
Not a chance. If the enemy finds out about this place, they'll come straight to kill you. Not even Satoru is capable of healing others with his reverse curse technique. Ito and Ijichi would both be dead if you weren't here.
That